we replaced 2 rolling steel doors at Lafarge Pipe in Calgary. These 10-year-old rolling steel doors had severe wear and tear from the harsh environment. As a result, this Calgary manufacturing plant had to constantly deal with costly and extensive repairs, which affected their production and safety. Due to this, staff felt vulnerable to breakdowns. Moreover, these breakdowns would leave the building exposed to weather and security issues. These new heavy-duty direct drive rubber doors have an extremely smooth operation and are reliable even for these 20 by 22 door openings. These rubber doors are almost maintenance-free with their springless direct drive design. Its low-maintenance design is due to it having fewer moving parts that can break down. This is why these doors boast a 1,000,000 cycle or 5-year warranty to ensure low maintenance costs and decreased downtime during its lifespan. Also, these rubber doors are some of the quietest, especially when compared to the old rolling steel doors. Finally, if the door is accidentally hit, it can easily be reset without the need for a service call. Contact us today to learn more.